How to manage your money. 5 simple rules. When it comes to managing your money, the most important thing is to get into the habit of budgeting. With budgeting, you can start to identify where your money is going and develop a plan for future spending. Although it may seem like a tough task at first, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. You should make it a habit. Here are 5 simple rules that will help you stay on top of your finances. 1. Track all of your expenses. Keeping up with your spending is essential for staying on track with your budget. Whether you use a written ledger, an app, or an Excel sheet, tracking every purchase and expense can help you better understand where your money goes each month and make changes as needed. 2. Stick to your budget. Once you have created a budget, stick to it. It can be easy to get off track and fall into bad spending habits if you don't set financial goals and maintain a consistent level of discipline when it comes to following through with them. 3. Set aside some savings each month. Even if it's just 10% of your income, setting aside some money each month can help build up an emergency fund should the need arise in the future. It's also wise to save for larger purchases such as vacations or home repairs so that unexpected costs won't put too much strain on monthly expenses. 4. Live within your means. This may seem like an obvious rule, but it is important to remember that spending more than you earn can quickly lead to financial trouble. Keep track of all of your expenses so that you know how much money is coming in and out every month and adjust accordingly if needed. Don't miss number 5. 5. Make use of available resources. There are numerous free financial tools available online that can help you stay on top of your finances, such as apps for tracking expenses, budgeting software, and credit monitoring services. Some great examples: Mint and Quicken. I personally use Mint for its simplicity and interface. Utilizing these resources will not only help you stay organized with your money and stay on top of payments, but also give you insight into how different types of investments work. By following these 5 simple rules, you'll be well on your way towards successful financial management. Sticking to a budget isn't always easy, but with discipline and regular monitoring of expenses, it's definitely possible. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.